the game is called Saving Frosty the Snowman. In this game, Frosty came to life one day. He was playing with the boys and girls. Thermometer turned red. He doesn't like a red thermometer, so he started to melt. Students on blue and green teams start back here at the black line. They're trying to get their snowman through the area up to the North Pole to the green hula hoop. Once they make it in the green hula hoop, they save their Frosty Snowman. They get to go back and add a second Frosty the Snowman. That's why you see some of our scooters have more than just one. Over here on this side, the yellow and red team, yellow and blue team, are yellow and red team are trying to navigate through the mess and try to get up here to save their Frosty Snowman. Frosty falls down, you go back and you start again. You don't lose a pin, but you take them back and you start again. There's also snowballs around here. Right now they've kind of worked off to the side. Once you're close enough, you can touch a snowball and your scooter at the same time. You can pick them up. You can use the snowball to guard and protect, or you can use the snowball to throw at the other people's pins. Name of the game is called Saving Frosty the Snowman. In a minute, we're going to show you another variation of this, where we use partners. So here's another version. We play a partner activity. We have these Velcro straps. I don't know what I got those from, some sort of flag football or something. And now we're going to loop it together. Looped it together. And now the scooters are tethered with this Velcro strap. Any Velcro strap, I'm sure. So in this game, they're together as a team, working together. Each one has one bowling pin in the beginning, and they're trying to get across. If they could save their Frosties, then they pick them up, they go back, and they add another one. These guys have already saved two. It's the same deal before. Start in the back, try to get your Frosty Snowman all the way through to the green North Pole. If it falls down, you go back. Red and yellow is trying to get through to the yellow hula hoop. And the name of that game is Saving Frosty the Snowman. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos just like it, please subscribe to our channel, RHEPE. Have a good school year.